And now I'm going to show you how you can create your own Autohotkey script. So inside Notepad++, let's create a new file and type in numpad 0. So for this test script, I want to remap numpad 0 as modifier key, and while pressing it and holding it and then pressing F button or F key on my keyboard, I'm going to set the script to open the link towards our YouTube channel Valsogard. Let's do it. So numpad 0, then spacebar and holding shift and pressing 7 on my keyboard for the ampersand sign, spacebar, F key, now colon, then spacebar run, open quote marks, and pasting the link towards the YouTube channel, closing, whoops, and now closed quote marks, file. Now the code of the script is done. Now we have to save the script by pressing File, Save As, and we can, for the moment, save it on the desktop, but I highly encourage you to save it elsewhere, so when you reinstall the Windows or whatever, so that your script is safe. So let's call it script test and .ahk is gonna be the extension, and save. So the script file is saved. You can see it on the desktop, scripttest.ahk. And now we have to right click and compile. Now it's gonna compile the exe of our script. And this is the thing that we are going to use. So right click and run as administrator. It's gonna appear in our tray bar. So let's test the script. I'm gonna press and hold numeric 0 and F. So my YouTube channel is opening just fine. The link is working. And now I'm going to show you how you can edit the script if you want to add some more code snippets. So let's proceed. Let's use something similar, but a little bit different. So holding shift and pressing enter for the next line. Let's use numpad 1 as our modifier key. And then I'm going to use P key on my keyboard. And then I'm going to print out some text. So let's proceed. Numpad 1 space, again ampersand sign, P colon, just like before. Now I have to type in message box. Make sure to match the capitals and small letters just as I did. These are important things. And now we don't need quote marks. We just have to type in the text then that we want to print out. And let's print out something funny or familiar, like panda. I like it. I like panda animals. Let's save our script, file, save. And now I'm going to compile again, but I'm going to run into an error, which you're gonna see in the second. So basically this error is telling us that our script is already loaded and we need to unload it in order to compile it. So let's cancel. Before I edit my scripts, I like to immediately exit them and shut them down before proceeding, but you can do it just the way I did in this tutorial. So just find your script in the tray bar, right click, exit, and now it's unloaded. So let's recompile our script again. It should be error-free now. And let's right click, run as administrator again. So it has appeared again, just like before. And now I'm gonna test the functionality by pressing numpad 0 and F. The link is working just like before. And now I'm gonna test the new code snippet by holding numpad 1 and pressing P. And there we go, we have panda text printed out. So our script is working and we've managed to edit it. And now the thing is, if you are going to shut your PC down or just restart it or whatever, next time the Windows boots up, your script will be gone. So in order to prevent this, we have to put it in startup folder because, well, I think you want to use your script regularly. So in order to put our script in the startup folder, we have to right click on the Windows Start menu button and click on Run and type in, you can already see it on the screen, but we have to type in shell startup, enter, and it's gonna open the startup window for us. And as I said, you should put your script.exe elsewhere in order to keep it safe, not just leave it on the desktop. But for the sake of this quick tutorial, I'm going to leave it on the desktop, and all we have to do now is right click on the exe file, copy, and paste the shortcut to the executable file in startup folder. And now I'm going to exit the script. I'm going to terminate it just for the sake of extra testing. And now I'm going to reboot my machine and see if the script is still working. I've just rebooted my machine and I'm gonna test the script to see if it's working. I can see it definitely that it's in the tray bar, but let's test it. The YouTube link is working. And now I'm going to test the other code snippet by pressing L and holding P. We have the text panda printed out, which is working. And that's it. I've just demonstrated how you can write and compile your first script, how you can change it, and how you can put it in startup folder so that it is always activated whenever you're using your machine. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to leave your comments and share this video with other people who might be interested. Also, please press like and subscribe buttons. It means a lot to us. If you're interested to get to know us better, check out our website at valsogar.com. Again, thank you for watching and see you soon.